Hello, dear audience, ladies and gentlemen around the world. My name is Ronald, and the lady right next to me is Professor Lee. Again,
Hi.
We met you yesterday, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but we run a lot of company and introduce them and products and service. I did learn a lot. And today we are going to once again to ask Professor Lee, who is the director of the research center on the ICF and Assistive Technology, National Yanmin University, be with us to introduce more information and the profile of the company and the product for us. So, Professor Lee, do you have any comments about what we have yesterday?
昨天是我们的开幕式，那非常感谢我们的副总统赖清德亲自莅临。那我们昨天的开幕式非常的成功，那也就是有非常多民众、专业人员跟县市政府来看展，所以能够发挥我们这个展的定位是解决生活问题的展，所以看起来大家都收获满满，也不少好朋友都赖我传资料给我，把相关的照片传给我，那都看到，大家其实都很开心。
Well, the Professor Lee got a lot of feedback and reflection from the audience, especially from the old friend and the good friend. And yesterday, our VP Vice President Lai Qingde arrived at the opening ceremony, give a speech, and then many public government officials also attend for the opening and go around, see a lot of companies and the exhibitions. They all provide very positive feedback to the organizer and Professor Lee. I think we did gain a lot yesterday, right?
Yes, yeah.
And today we are going to interview several outstanding Taiwanese companies and see more, we'll go for the exhibition tour to see more companies. Is that right?
Yes， 我们当然喽，今天要看的区块实际上是台湾之光，好，那就是过去我们都说台湾是轮椅王国，好，那当然其实行动辅具不只是轮椅，哈，那其实在长照这个领域用的最多的是助步车，哈，以及其他相关的特殊的助行器，或是一些就是协助人行动的相关辅具，所以我们今天要以从那里开始，所以我先邀请大家来看一下我的长照12大灾问。
Alright.
我们长照12大灾问的 Q4， 哈 ，Q4，
Q4 right here.
Yes， 嘿，所以这个主题就是，其实一个人坐轮椅是很大的一个学问，哈，其实坐轮椅的适配的人员，在国际上，它等于是比一般的辅具服务人员更进阶，它叫做 Sitting Specialist， 哈，就是特殊的摆位。那为什么呢？因为坐在轮椅上面，其实最重要坐得好、坐得舒服，能够坐得久，否则就没办法发挥行动辅具的功能。好，所以我们把这两个主题放在一起，所以我们强调了行动不便、轮椅又坐不住的人，我们怎么样提供一个很好的适配选？那跟大家报告的，其实我们台湾的厂商不是只是贩售东西或租东西，其实我们台湾的厂商在台湾也要拿到一个16小时的长照辅具公益人员的认证，在有这个认证之下，其实厂商它有厂商的服务内容，那当然我们政府的辅具服务系统、辅具中心的专业人员有辅具中心的工作内容，所以大家分工，否则长照人口需求那么大，怎么可能只靠辅具中心的人来做服务？所以等于是全民大家一起把长照的服务做起来，这是台湾我们在这里政府的整个系统的一个目标。所以我们待会其实我们昨天有看一些辅具的轮椅大厂，那我们今天还会从这样的一个大厂来，所以我邀请大家来帮忙看一下这一个主题。所以从上面就是我们其实这个展非常的特殊，我们等于是除了里面有非常清楚分区的一个规划，我们还有一个长照12大灾问的产品导览手册，那里面告诉大家的非常重要的辅具在这一个领域的重要资讯，所以大家可以看到我们这边写怎么样做行动摆位的适配评估，好，怎么样能够选到最适合人的。我们知道轮椅其实即使在台湾，我们相对全球也许辅具还算卖的比较便宜，但是轮椅好的功能其实也是20-30万哈，所以就是说，其实好的辅具绝对不是贵的辅具，而是最适合这个人的哈。所以我们提供非常基本的一些基本民众应该知道的一个资讯，那我们又把专业人员把厂商抓来训练。那我们今天的这是我们整个展区，所以我们今天的展区主要会走这一块，然后接下来。
Okay, now is a lot of message information just stated by the Professor Lee. I will start quick. Well, this is collect 12 users. So we call it 12 FAQs. So everybody can start from this point to ask the right question. So if you have a similar question or issue that we list on the board, there are 12. You can go to see what answer the solution provided by the research center, the team from the Professor Lee, and you can find the corresponding product provided by the company. So that's why you start and just ask. This is a care guide called the passport. You can have it at least 1 year, so you can check it, check, and read it, and you can understand which product is better and the most fit for you. And for example, today we're going to see the topic right over here is Q4, how to move around and sit properly, and that is a point for the day compared to what we have yesterday. It's different. So if you want to do a very good deal with the moving issues, and if you can understand what we collect the information right here and see different function of the product like a wheelchair, power wheelchair, or the scooter, or the bed, then you can understand what is the better equipment or devices suited for you, provided by our very wonderful company. Around more,
so
yes.
We into the question form. Then we go into the question 5. Be this way.
现在应该蛮稳的吧。
Yeah.
So very good products.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and for us, wellness, we use the different gel to develop different products for different occasion. Have different people. They at this different occasion they use different products. So we have products for surgery room. We have products for for the disabled people, right. And we have products for the normal daily life, or even in house. Yeah. So.
刚刚有照一些了，因为耽误到时间。对，然后那个
可以吗？
对，所以我们先去喊。
谢谢老师，感谢，对，谢谢你们，感谢
主任，谢谢哈。
OK， 谢谢。
所以我们要面对那个。
我们要没有这样子，哎。What's the company name? Zheng Director. All right, Professor Lee. Now we're in the company named Zheng Competition Technologies Corporation. I see a lot of the wheelchair right here. So anything interesting for interest of audience?
OK， 这个轮椅是非常特殊的，是碳纤维。那我们是不是请董事长来做个介绍
？Sure. Welcome, President, to join our interview. Right here, you can introduce a very special made carbon fiber wheelchair.
Okay. Most of the wheelchair, as you know, has been metal, now it's steel. So generally, that they can, and it's not easy to handle.
Yes.
Gendex was founded in 1998. For 22 years, we've been working on the bicycle and bicycle components, industrial parts. And then I remember in 2007, we started the project of making carbon fiber wheelchair because we think the handicapped needs lighter equipment.
Yes.
Even more. They actually their feet.
Right.
So I think if we make bicycle components, okay, we just doing something like entertainment. Okay, maybe we'll make them happy a little bit. But if we make carbon wheelchair, we improve the quality of life. Sure. Which is more important, essential. So this is basic principle. And nowadays, most of the European-made carbon wheelchair are very, very expensive. Yes. Normally they are around 7,000 euro or even more. Now, the way we offer to the market is very inexpensive one because everything is made in Taiwan. We are the manufacturing company. We cut the distribution channel. Yeah. So roughly, I think in Europe, this one is probably around 1,500. Be only one-fifth of the prices. Yes. In Taiwan, in the market, we offer the FOB price to the domestic users.
Right. So the most of the market focus on Europe and maybe North America. But Europe already.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, North America is too complicated. Americans are too complicated. Yeah, too much trouble.
Okay. Yeah. Wish you good success.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Thank you, Chairman. Thank you. Wow. Let's go. Wow. This. Okay. Jessie, okay. 中文，中文。No problem. Yeah, Chinese, English is okay. Chinese is okay. Okay. 我再要一下语言。大家知道就是像比如说。
这家公司其实非常优秀。所以你们等于大概将近国内市场10年左右嘛，对不对？差不多嘛，还都是纯
exportation，
对，非常感谢，因为
我们随便聊。Okay, sorry about that. We chatting. It's very natural. Okay.
好，那我们这边一样是。
Sorry, I did not translate properly.
那我们接下来看国内尤其在代理儿童服务。自己
用这个洗舒适，所以在上面的时候，他们其实会觉得对都很舒服。这些百位的去
so they can move around, move outside, outdoors. When they, after that, they can the best. Just
是如果有高啊，他们需要把这个位
just according to the height of the kids.
从主到室内设计，其实是从到整体都是可及的。对，所以今年就是我们就做一个整合的方式，做一个展览。对，希望大家可以来看。
Okay, now it's a follow message delivered by this receptionist right over here. Now the whole name of this organization called Accessible Environment Design of Taiwan. There are two missions in this organization. One is how to improve the environment. Second, how to educate people to learn more about accessible environment. And all the they are all designers. So interior designers specifically, yeah.
景观环境的。
The landscape designer or the architect, also the interior designer. Wow, there are different kind of combination of talented people inside.
真的很感动哈，因为以他们的工作，其实平常可以有很好的收入，那这么的投入，对，非常。
Yeah, let's choose this career as the career, not just a job, it's a career. We feel that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. 好，那我们现在也是要来到一个非常特殊的经销商哈，其实常常找到非常好的一些产品哈，来推广给我们台湾的民众。那我们是请主持人。
Okay, now as you can see, the orange color already bright and cheerful. This company, well, I have someone here to introduce us, so I just give him the time to do that. Okay, say something to our audience in Mandarin or English, both okay.
OK. Hello everyone. 我们这边是
国语 OK。
好，我们这边是乐活动。那我们这边的话主要是带轮助行器。那我们这款助行器的话，我们是为我们的市售。我们的最高度可以调整，那我们可以到我们使用者的身高来调整我们的状况。我们这款的话，我们是可以做收合，我们这边有个袋子，往上抬，我就可以做一个收合的动作，这个孔洞可以把它收起来。
It's easy to fold.
那刚刚讲它的是可以依照使用状况，所以说我任何身高的人，不管是150公分到190公分的人都可以适合使用这一款。对。那我们这款它的配件的选择，我们还可以加装我们的就是雨伞架。
Alright, some extra accessories, umbrella. They can adjust the height of the table 50 centimeters to 190 centimeters, according to the height of the user.
加它的额外的配件，我们可以再加装。
Well, you can put extra things in this walker. Yeah, very good.
那我们在使用的话，我们就是可以边推边。那我们走类的话，它有一个比较直接视觉的，我们可以就是坐刹车，那我们就可以直接坐着。我有一个背可以让你靠着，就是不会往后跌倒。
Okay. Now this is a color grid. This is actually is a brake.
往前推，但是就可以直接做的一个动作。
Yeah. You can stop the walker. Okay.
好，非常的棒哈。
Yeah, very convenient.
谢谢。
Wow, Taiwan thumbs up.
好，我们现在往前走哈。
Now we're moving.
对，我们大概把那个就是我们的行动辅具告一段落。那现在就要进入我们居家生活的区域。那我们首先
products for transportation and movement. Now we
居家生活。
Alright, the home care and home living.
Yes.
Yeah.
好，那我们
How to make your home good for disabilities? Let's take a look.
大家可以看一下，金泰隆这边可以介绍一下哈。
Sure, okay. We have the Jin Tai Long International.
就是他们设计了一个非常特殊的哈，就是等于是移动式可以做沐浴的哈，就是我们可以看一下，它叫原床沐浴组。那它其实还可以调整温度，所以可以洗热水澡的。
哇哦！
所以非常不简单。那你用中文快速讲一下。
Sure, we want to know more about your product. So say
Yeah.
hi to our audience and your product.
Hello， 你好，I'm Jason Zhang。你好，我们这个设计的这原床沐浴组呢，其实是用我们设计的原床沐浴组，Sure。设计原床沐浴组呢，其实是希望长辈可以直接在原床上面进行快速的沐浴。我们有一个可吸式的恒温淋浴器，可以提供相关的淋浴的一个热水的供应。我们有一个充气式的一个沐浴床，然后在原来的病床上面直接冲洗。然后可以方便排水， 对，方便排水收折。实际上的使用就是直接在上面进行冲洗的动作，对，让沐浴变简单。对，这是我们的宗旨。
是台湾自己设计的，非常不简单。
是。
It's designed by Taiwan, manufactured by Taiwan, and the idea is very convenient for the users. Okay, you don't have to change your bed. It's the original bed, but with the extra equipment that you can wash your patient's body. Well, thank you very much for introducing this. Thank you.
好，那我们继续往我们的居家生活区哈来移动哈。
Now we're in the area of the home care and home living area. Is the
好，我们到那个就是惠生这边哈，那非常棒的材料哈，那是那个就是帮忙介绍一下哈，对，嘿，我们快速介绍一下这边，它实际上是化学材料的专家，然后加入这样的一个辅具市场哈，那这是我非常佩服的那个许老板哈，所以请你介绍一下。
Okay, let's get over here close to you. Okay, hello,
你好
President Hsu.
是。
Okay, so would you like to introduce the company and the products?
那个国艺来，由国艺他来。你来。大家好，我这边是惠生声音科技。那我们主要特色是讲减压的东西，我们都做一些减压坐垫啊、床垫啊跟足部的东西。那这些产品里面，我们今年做了一些新的改变，就有一些轮椅上的摆位设施，然后它的结构，这个结构上面，我们可以在这边坐上去以后，有些轮椅他坐的人，他比如说骨折，那他这边可以调整角度，这个手的支撑它会变得比较好。那头部的支撑，
化学出身，化学材料出身的哈，那非常不简单。投入辅具应该也相当长，20年了嘛，哈
，20年。
对，那屏东有一个很棒的工厂，我也亲自去过，
谢谢，
非常棒的一个就是他们自己做研发哈，那把很多材料做测试，来看怎么减压能够最适合一个人，对，所以长期耕耘的我们一个南部的厂商，不过经销是全台湾哦，未来国际加油。
是，我们主要是做胶质的一些研发，包括床垫这样子延伸过来。是。
Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for introducing the product and the company. Well, the president is the chemical manager in the past, and for more than 20 years experience of producing the gel material and benefit our disabilities.
好，因为这一区等于是居家生活哈，那我们很多等于是就是我们。在服务民众的部分哈，其实都很专业哈。那就是这些我们 MIT 的制造商，我们 MIT 的制造商真的都非常的努力啦哈。那就是在台湾这个地方耕耘，那也希望能够让国际的朋友看到更多他们的好产品。
Sure. There's the Taiwanese company, another Taiwanese company focusing on the home care equipment for the accessibilities. Right here you can see lots of the equipment and devices can provide it at home, so it's easy and accessible. Demonstrating right now how to move the patients or the disability into the vehicle. Okay, something like that. A vehicle 1,000 words, so just look at the camera.
他们现在那个底座多尽量低，所以就可以插进那个。 拿起来就可以变成是可以靠在上面的桌子，然后也非常的快，所以这些好，谢谢。
Very wonderful demonstration.
再来往这边。
Okay, let's go this way.
我们接下来往就是我们等一下针对这一块也有很多设计。是哪一位要帮我们做解说？哪一位帮我们做解说？我们对对。
All right, the explainer to introduce the company and the product right over here. Josh, okay, say hi to our audience.
Hi.
Okay, now I think this is a very wonderful Taiwanese company. So I'd like to say some words to our audience, introduce your product and company.
Okay, can I speak Chinese?
Okay.
我们公司设备代理是代理商，然后我们代理的所有的设备是来自于全球各地。那这些产品是我们认为台湾目前缺少的产品，所以各位看到的产品都是属于全球比较创新的产品。那目前应该大部分台湾都还没有，对，所以我们找进来是为了让这些使用者可以有更多的选择，可以让他们获得更好的生活上的功能这样子。
好，所以我们是邀请我们主持人在帮忙翻译的时候，顺便把镜头快速看一下这些产品。
Okay, let's take a look. This is company to implement of the art technology and the product to the Taiwan comfortable and easy use for family persons.
没错，然后主要的部分，我们还是希望可以在居家照顾，不仅仅是照顾在人的身体上的需求，连心理上的需求也可以做到那个同样的照顾的效果。
Thank you very much.
非常棒哈。那大家那个，其实我们都知道辅具真的要亲身体验啦哈。那真的没办法来到台北南港展览馆的朋友，以及我们国外的朋友哈。那今年让大家在线上哈可以看到我们的展场。好，明年是5月6号到9号，2021年好，所以跟大家有约，一定要到这样的直播网络上，所以大家可以不断的去回顾。
This is a wonderful moment, and this is day 2. We introduce some companies and their product. Again, this company are very wonderful Taiwanese company. Some new concept, new idea generate from them. We learn a lot from them, but also you to come our exhibition next year, starting from May 6th to May 9th, 2021. So we welcome you back, and later we'll go into for the company interview. Please stay tuned, don't leave.
OK， 所以我们接下来往下哈，那当然非常重要的哈，整个台湾的辅具的发展，所以我们摄影机也可以帮我照一下哈。虽然因为时间的关系，我们没办法逐一进去做介绍哈。那大家也可以看到整个台湾辅具的量能哈，我们会让厂商，包括我们这边哈是工研院的研究员出来开设的公司，发挥很好的产品。那因为时间的关系，我们没办法逐一做介绍哈。那就是先让摄影机带大家扫过哈。那我们接下来要来看的是非常重要的单位，那当然这个单位很重要喽，就是我主持将近16年的一个单位。
Well, we just go to different institutions for industrial research, but now here is the like a mothership here for the facility. Introduce you, there is a research center on ICF and assistive technology, and Professor Lee is director at this institution. So we turn the microphone to Professor Lee to introduce more about the things. Okay?
好，那跟大家报告哈，我们这个中心非常的特殊，我是国立阳明大学 ICF 辅助科技研究中心的主任哈。那我们这个中心承办国家级的辅具中心。好，到现在其实不只是辅具服务的专业人员，包括有物理治疗师、职能治疗师，在他们考上国考之后，进来受86小时的训练，变成我们的甲类辅具评估人员。然后我们有语言治疗师，进来受训，一样是非常多小时的训练，也就是他们先考上国家考试哦，已经可以在医疗机构工作。好，那要从事语言治疗以外的服务，如果针对我们国家有补助。人员的训练。
Now this is the institution that care about assistive technology, and it is established since 19 years ago. It's in addition to promote and the research in this field, they also accept some people who got the license, passed the examination of national examination. They probably have the license or certificate to get Class A certificate to do the occupational therapy or physical therapy or even language therapy, but they have to retrain and get another license and certificate in this institution. So it also has the responsibility to educate the people or even evaluate the next step.
Yeah, the therapist. Yeah. 那不仅如此哈，我们还有听力师也是一样，先拿到国家认证，哈，都已经可以在从事听力的服务了。那要进来就是协助我们的民众取得我们政府有补助的助听器质哈，或听觉辅具的话，还要接受我们的训练，拿到丙类的辅具评估人员。
Okay, for acoustic professional, they have to get another license with a Class C, and then they can execute the assessment for the hearing disability people. So that's the must, another training from this institute.
好，那我们最后其实还有一个很重要的专业，我们都知道说，其实身心障碍 disabilities， 其实不外乎3大族群，但不止如此了哈。比如说我们的肢体障碍者以外，哈 ，person with physical disabilities， 另外就是 visual， 就是那个视觉损伤，哈 ，visual 的 impairments， 另外就是刚刚提的听力的部分，就是 hearing 的 impairments。那基本在视觉的部分，它又更复杂，因为如果涉及跟镜片有关的，那必须要验光师，因为我们台湾也通过了台湾的验光人员的证照法，所以取得验光师照之后，要进来协助我们的民众取得弱视眼镜，也需要接受我们的物类的辅具评估人训练。那视觉另外还有视觉相关的辅具，不管是像就是协助他们阅读啊等等其他扩视等等其他的辅具，那一块我们还除了刚刚讲的验光人员、验光师以外，我们还邀请长期在视觉服务的这些工作人员、专业人员也进来加入物类的辅具评估人员训练。
Okay, now this professional also issue a certificate to the people who want to have qualified to assess the people with the disability on physically or the visually or the hearing. So they have to retrain and get the certificate. Again, this is a very professional area, but those people have to get the national examination illegally and justify before, and they can, if they want to do the extra job, have to get another license or a certificate from this institute.
Yes. OK， 所以大家可以看到，其实我们多功能辅具资源整合推广中心，也就是由阳大承办这一个中心19年的中心，它很重要的工作是做全国各县市的辅具中心的辅导，然后也包含是这边镜头帮我照一下哈，也包含是促进各部位的资源整合。所以呢，大家可以看一下我们这一个我们一直非常骄傲的地图。我们常常说台湾辅具的优秀，其实不只是厂商优秀，厂商制造很好的辅具产品哈。那最重要的，其实我们是整个的服务系统建构。所以大家可以帮我照一下这个台湾地图哈。我们目前全国22个县市有34家的地方县市的辅具资源中心，而且每2年是要被评鉴的哦。所以就是等于政府在这个单位的支持，不只是编预算，也协助它品质的整个的监控的部分。那这些辅具的地方的辅具资源中心做全国民众的服务。所以我常常说，其实在台湾你提供辅具，也就是我们厂商提供辅具，其实非常重要的一个优点就是你在这里，因为不只是可以服务民众取得我们所谓的 Chinese 东方人的辅具的使用经验，最重要的是我们在这个系统里面有非常好的辅具中心的专业人员，我们会变成是最重要的那个媒介哈，因为专业人员他接触各种不同的使用者，所以他把最关键的资讯提供给厂商，所以这也是为什么我们要办这样子一个辅具大展，我们就是要促进大家有很多交流的机会，能够来做这部分的进一步的发展。
Well, this is a very important information for our foreigner audience. This is the map in Taiwan, and the government support probably will help the people who are interested in professions to get the license by national examination. But the research center on the ICF and assistive technology, National Yangming University, they also funded and supported by the government. And in addition to issue the certificate, they also have to manage and run these different resource center in the 22 cities or the countries around the Taiwan, and those people who get a license, they probably work in different spots, helping the people with a hearing disability, visual disability, or physical disability. They are qualified to help people, not just provide a product, but also consultation and providing information and do the educational function. That's quite important in the mission cycle of this institution.
所以我们就是每一个县市的辅具中心，尤其比较大的直辖市，就是这个是它的中心点。然后呢，它是放射性的，在各个偏乡、各个乡镇设立服务据点，所以我们的服务是非常非常的绵密的。
This is central Tainan, but they will go to the very remote area to set the resource center to assist the people in the remote place.
好，那我们接下来最重要就是说，今天台湾的辅具服务系统之所以会非常有效，就是因为我们有一个非常重要的辅具资源入口网 Portal for Technology Resources Network.
Right. This is a very important portal website we call the Assisted Technology Resource Center. You can go on internet and log into the portal. You can get a lot of information and message in this website.
OK， 这个网站哈，就是纯官方网站，所以理论上官方网站应该上去的人没那么多哈，因为看起来好像是政府做宣导，其实大家误会了哈。这个网站在16年前委托阳明大学哈，所以它是我的 baby 啦哈，我把它建构起来。我们这个网站也是创全台湾官方网站的记录，因为我们到现在有7.5亿的点阅浏览。
Okay, now originally you can see the official website is not popular. But this is different because 17 years ago when Professor Lee and the team initiate this portal website, it get a lot of people the website to read the information they provide.
OK， 好，所以非常开心今天的就是我们的这样子绕场的直播哈。那因为待会主持人就马上进棚去做厂商的专访哈，所以我们今天的直播就到这里做一个结束哈。那我们明天还有更精彩的。
Right now we will start right over here at the research center of assistive technology, because we of the governmental area, but we will keep going tomorrow to see and learn more from the different booths and company and even the governmental agencies. So stay tuned. We'll see you tomorrow.
大家明天要来哦，我们两个越表现越好。
Okay, we'll try to convey more messages for all the audience around the world. Thank you, Professor Lee.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you later. Hello, dear audience, ladies and gentlemen around the world. Again, this is day 2 of the Assisted Technology for Life. This is the 2020 year. This is a very special year because, of course, you know, in the early 2020, there's a breakdown. There's the outbreak of the coronavirus, also called COVID-19, now spread around the world. So a lot of the exhibition and the conference will step down. They don't focus on any topic today. But this time in Taiwan, we are right here in the Taipei, Taiwan. We run the assistive technology of the year. So we get a lot of attention because the exhibitor and the visitor come to join together. And in addition to the actual on-site exhibition, we also have the on-air broadcasting, introducing some very prominent Taiwanese company, and we also go to the exhibition to show them around. And right now, in the day 2, we introduce again some of the very outstanding Taiwanese company to introduce their company and the product that in the future. So right here, we have a company named Nova, and right next to me is the product manager, Tami Wang from Nova. Okay, Tami, would you like to say hi to our audience around the world?
Hi everyone, my name is Tami Wang. I'm a product manager of Nova Orthopedic and Rehabilitation Appliances.
Now, okay. As far as I know, we met yesterday, right?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, that's in the Nova booth. Very beautiful decoration and design there.
Thank you.
And they also review the product. So to begin, would you like to say something about your company?
Yes. So Nova, we were first established in 1981. And initially, we were manufacturing canes. We later on expanded our product portfolio into manufacturing crutches, rolling walkers, wheelchairs, into power wheelchairs, to even bathroom safety products. Now, next year will be our 40th year anniversary. We currently have 2 manufacturing plants. One is in central Taiwan in Taichung, and another is in southern Vietnam, somewhere around near Ho Chi Minh City. This manufacturing plant was actually established a couple years ago, before the 2018 and 2019 China terrorist fiasco. So we have planted our roots early in the years for that. We do OEM, ODM, OBM businesses overseas, and we actually have our own in-house branding called Nova, which is what we are showcasing here today at Assisted Life Technology for Life.
Sure, and then this exhibition of introducing the assistive technology and some appliance right over here. I saw several very beautiful products in front of us. So would you like to introduce some of your outstanding products?
Yes, for sure. So since I was saying our in-house brand, Nova, it was somewhere established around 2014. In 2018, we hit our first milestone. We have our own actualized store. And this year, our marketing campaign is MAPS. I'm going to get up and kind of explain to them.
Please.
So M for mobility, A for active, P for power, S for seating. And so I have this set up exactly MAPS. So M for mobility. This is for seniors, elderlies that needs to transport from point A to point B with a little bit of help. This is a rolling walker. A is for active. It is for customers that have lost function on their lower body and they can be able to still move on the upper half of the body. P for power. Obviously, it speaks for itself. So power wheelchairs for the elderly, the young, anybody. And lastly, seating. This one is a little bit more niche. It is for children or adults, handicapped children or adults with, let's say, CP or MA or SMA disabilities. It is to help them alleviate, let's say, sores or let them be more comfortable since they are binded to the chair throughout most of the time. So these four MAPS, these four elements are the backbone of what we are showcasing today at on our showroom, as well as our 2020 and 2021 product roadmap.
Correct.
Yeah.
All right. So it's based on the different person, different target.
Yes.
You design different products.
Yes, exactly.
So, okay, which one you want to focus on?
I do want to focus on one specific product. This is our rolling walker. I'm going to move this over here. So this is our newest product out. This is a rolling walker. It is quite interesting because, when we're developing a new product, we never know what physical height or the body characteristics of the end user is going to be. So we made a lot of adjustables onto this product, which makes this product a very more custom fit product for all. So one of the adjustables is this chair height. So let's say the elderly, they are a little shorter, a little taller or whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little explanation. I'm going to stop this walker, put it in park position, and I'm going to sit onto this. So if the elderly, they're going to sit on this with this, seated cushion and then seated padded backrest. But their feet is dangling from the ground, and actually that's very, very dangerous.
It's dangerous.
It's super dangerous because they're going to lose balance or they're going to fall and hit their head, whatnot. So we have designed this adjustable part. Could you?
Okay, I heard only 30 seconds.
2 hands, no tools.
No tools, just hand. Adjust it in very quick. Probably, let me count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I count 12 seconds.
Okay.
Very quick.
So now you can see if I'm going to sit down, I'm actually really comfortable. I'm in a very good angle right now. So when the elderly wants to get up, they have a really good smooth motion of getting up. So another thing is the handles. Obviously, a lot of the walkers have the handles. So if you can see, if I'm pushing this, my back is a little arched. For the elderly, that's not good for them because long term, they're not going to like it very much because it's going to be really tiring for them. So I'm going to go ahead and move this hand rest a little bit higher. Could you please?
Sure.
So now I have like this really good smooth motion of flow, as well as these design ergonomic handles. They have a little wing over here where your palms can be able to fit effortlessly and with a good support. So that is what we have here today, and it's good for collapsing for storage. Now a lot of walkers, when you collapse it for storage, they kind of fall loose. So we actually have this patent design. It's a security pin. If you could, please.
All right, it's a patent.
Yeah, it's a patent.
position pin.
So now when you do anything, it doesn't fall loose.
Okay.
Loose.
Sure, because the pin fixed something right here.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So now when you're done, when you're done, you put it back, pull up.
Oh yes.
And they're ready to go.
Yeah, here we go.
There's actually little pouch spaces here.
Yeah.
For your phone, your microphone if you want.
And my mic and my cell phone, my camera, my wallet. Okay.
Yeah. So and it comes with 5 different colors, so it's like a little personality style for the elderly, not like the regular black, gray stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Does any other award he win before? Award, excellence award.
Not yet, because this is a new product, and
Okay.
actually this is the first time that we are showcasing. I mean, because COVID-19, we couldn't really come out in public and market this thing. So this is our first time marketing this product.
Wow, very good prospects. Okay.
Thank you.
Well, let's go back technical. So with this 4 different kind of, I think it's just some product of your product lines. Okay.
Yes, it is.
It's a very wonderful company and have a good development. So looking for the future, do you have any prospect, or before we conclude the interview, do you have any extra to say to our audience?
Yeah. Well, I only could be able to showcase this just a little bit. So if you guys want, go ahead and visit us at our website at www.novaortho.com.tw. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.
Okay, don't forget the Nova. This is the keywords. Okay?
Yes, thank
you.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you
you
for watching. Dear audience, ladies and gentlemen of the world, welcome back to the day 2 of the Assistive Technology for Life 2020. Well, most of people understand this is a very special year because in the early half of the 2020, the outbreak of the coronavirus spread all over the world. I think some of the human activity have been stopped. But in Taiwan, we have a different situation because we control the virus and have a very good policy and cooperation by our people. So right now, today, starting from yesterday and to the August 2nd, we are in Nangang Exhibition Hall, Taipei, Taiwan, to run the Assistive Technology for Life 2020. Because of a lot of foreigners and our international guests that are unable to come to Taiwan to join the exhibition on site, so we have a special arrangement. In addition to on site, we also have on live and on air. So we put in studio and try to interview some very wonderful and outstanding Taiwanese company, introduce the company and the product, even the service and solution to everybody in the world. So right now we have a wonderful company called Merits right over here. And right next to me is the Vice President of the company, Jonathan Chen, and he would like to say hello to the audience in the camera. So, Jonathan, do you say hi to our audience right there?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very proud to be at this show, especially under this pandemic time. And it will be my pleasure to attend the show and be interviewed by Ronald. Thank you.
Okay, you are welcome. I also welcome your attendance. Now, right now, I believe some of the company, some of the people would like to know more about the company you represented. So, could you like to say a few words for us?
Sure. I'll give you guys a brief introduction about Merits. First of all, I will show you a short video, and that's about 1 minute. Oh, that's about 1 minute. Video about our company. Let me see if I can start.
Jonathan is trying to play the short video and let you know more about his company.
Okay.
All right. It's coming, all right.
We have our headquarters in Taiwan, and we also have the other manufacturing site in Shanghai, Suzhou, and we have a distribution in Florida and California. As you can see, we have a very broad product portfolio. I'll give you guys a brief later on. And this is our manufacturing site and our testing facility. We have several quality standards. We're certified for ISO 1400 and all the testing facilities. This is the static test assembly line, and we have a testing lab, and we have a bunch of experienced people.
Yes. Okay. Great.
Merit's vision is to give the elderly and the disabled individuals ability to live independently and under their own volition. We have several brands. We have Merits, representing the power wheelchair and the mobility scooter. We have Avid, under complex power rehab. We also have Pilot as our stair-lift brand. We also have Precision Comfort as the medical FDA certified grade cushions. For my Assist Plus, that's our answer to the IoT world. Later on, this will be our mobility scooter flagship, representing the Merits brand. We also manufacture a lot of power wheelchair. For stair lift, we have the curved one and the straight one. That's under Pilot line. For the rehab power wheelchair, we have Avid as our brand. And this is the cushion brand, Precision Comfort. And this is our IoT brand. We call it My Assist Plus, where you can remotely check patients or users' signal, or of course checking the power wheelchair signal. Just give you a brief snapshot of our company. It's founded in 1986. We have 2 manufacturing sites, one in Taiwan, one in China. We have 3 subsidiaries in US, Florida, in Taiwan, and in China. We have more than 350 people in our group. Our value proposition is reliability. As you can see, it's a broad line, but it's all about mobility. In terms of mobility, we hope to build something that people can rely on. So we have different type of line. I'll give you a brief. For the milestone, that's just give you some idea about the history of the company. As a top 5 manufacturer in the power mobility industry, we founded the company more than 34 years ago. And in 2002, we already had FDA certify us. We also certified for ISO 13485. In 2009, we moved into the new China factory. In 2011, we moved to the new Taiwan side. And last year, we moved our US distribution to the bigger side in Florida. For our global partners, as you can see, not only Taiwan and China and North America, we also have our partner in Australia, Denmark, Germany, Holland, UK, and Italy. And that's just give you some idea about how our manufacturing side look like. We are very proud of our quality. So we have a lot of testing equipment. Give you some example. For the top left, you can see the temperature and humidity test chamber. And for all the chair and scooter designed and produced, we have more than 200 kilometers road test. We also have our own dynamic and static test lab. And this slide just gives you some idea about the awards granted ever to the company. For certification, we are certified for Canadian Welding Bureau. We are the only company in Taiwan for CWB. And we also certified by KFDA, US FDA, CE, and TÜV. And you can see this is our product, power wheelchair product line. We got different type of product mix. For scooter, we also have a very broad scooter line. For Avid, as you can see, we got different power options. You got tilt, recline, you got lift, you got elevation, and we also have heavy-duty one. For the manual, we got different type of combination. We got also get bariatric, transport, pediatric, active, sports. For the stair lift line, you can see we got the heavy-duty one. We got the outdoor. We got even the stair climber. For the patient aid, we have rollator, we have walker, we have cane, we have beds, we have commode. And that will be our brief.
Okay, pretty good, very outstanding product lines, the company history. So right now you bring us 2 product right over here. Could you like to say a few words before we conclude the interview? It was very important.
Sure.
How about introducing this one to our audience?
I want to introduce everybody the P213, the power rehab chair. I think this is, as you can see, a very European style power wheelchair. But what we achieve here is we achieve the tilt function. For the, for the disabled people, especially this group, it's very important for them to do the pressure shift. And you have to reach 45 degrees for them to shift the power, the pressure they accumulate under the butt.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
But to achieve this kind of tilt degree with this kind of compactiveness, it's not easy. Our engineer had to back and forth for so many times to achieve this kind of tilting. But also you have the stability when driving.
Right.
The other thing I want to add is we also add on the extra lighting kit. Usually in our industry, you have to have a dedicated control module to have your own lighting. But when we achieve this extra kit, you'll be able to retro back to set up a lighting.
Right.
If you decided to add the lighting later on.
Right.
So this will be the new product that we add to this year.
Right.
In the meantime, this product also awarded the Taiwan Excellence Award.
Okay, this is one. All right.
Yes. So it will be our brand new compact power chair.
Okay.
And that we announced to the world.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, that will be the one of the flagship. So due to time constraint, we probably will introduce only one over here.
Sure.
So this is a very wonderful product, just like the VP mentioned that it win the Taiwan Excellence Award this year. So great, we are hoping to have a very wonderful future. So before we conclude the interview, the VP, do you have any addition to say to our audience?
Sure. For more product search and more product information, you can reach www.meritshealth.com, MERITSHEALTH.com. Thank you, everyone.
Sure. Okay. Thank you, Merits. Thank you very much for taking this interview. Thank you.
Thank you, Ronald.
Thank you too. Hello, dear audience, ladies and gentlemen around the world. Once again, we meet you right over here in Taipei, Taiwan. This is the Assistive Technology for Life 2020. We are here to introduce you the Taiwanese excellent company and their products. Today, right now, we have a third company to introduce. The company name is Strengthen Medical Instrument Corporate Limited, and we have two very wonderful friends from this company to meet with us. So, on my left-hand side is the Mr. Max Hsu. Hello, would you like to say a good word to our audience?
Yeah, hello everyone.
Hello,
Max.
And hello, and right next to my right side is Terry. Hello, Terry. Okay, now you know our audience in the camera is from the world, and this is a wonderful company right over here. So, would you like to start by introducing the company, please?
Yeah, no problem. So, the Strengthen Medical was founded in 1988, and in the year of 2005, our team devoted into the senior market and launched another new brand called Just For You. So our job is to creating possibilities for immobilized individuals to regain the power to get back on their feet and to restore their quality of life. So we also offer other genuine patient handling product to support caregivers and health professionals.
Okay, well, thank you for introducing your company. And today you brought us two products of the company. So the first one I heard you say is Just For You.
Yeah.
Sounds very good, a good name of product. So would you like to elaborate a little bit about this product?
Yeah, so Just For You is our brand name, and it's very catchy in Mandarin. So among all our product lines, our core objective is to make patient transfer easier and safer, right? So the shortage of manpower poses a challenge in this day and age. And so our manual patient transfer product are all one-man operations. So the first one I have over here is called the two straps.
We have the role play to do the patient and do the carer.
So literally right here, you see two strap is made out of Velcro two straps. It's very skin friendly and it's very easy to conform around the body. So when we do the patient transfer, here's how we do it.
All right, please watch carefully about the demonstration, step by steps.
So the first thing is we conform one loop around the knee area and the other one go underneath the armpit. So if you're moving to the left side, you put your right knee against the strap. And when you pull the strap underneath the armpit, you don't pull it from your arm. You simply switch the momentum backward on your upper body. So right here.
Oh, watch carefully.
So when I
do lean backward, move, transfer.
Yeah, so that's our first product, and the second one we have right here. So this is what we call the penny board. So this serves as a bridge between the chair and patient can easily slide over, right? So active patients, they can just slide over easily. And this is our special made neon green covers. It has very low frictions. So when the patient do transferring, if their leg is immobilized, it's even easier to just slide in over. And here is our third product. So the penny, okay, so the penny board is for seated horizontal transfer. This is for supine position transfer. So when you're laying down, you can use this to do it in forward position or semi-forward position, and we can just slide it backward and forward, right, to the right or to the left.
Sure. Okay. You try, or it's okay.
You have to lay it down, so we're not.
Oh, okay. For demo, they have to lie down. So
what is special is the quad fold system. Usually, when you see from other brands, it's only bifold. The quad fold can minimize the size, so it's easy carried in the metro area for caregivers or health professionals.
Okay, pretty good. So quick question. You use the neon green. Is it meaning anything? Neon green color?
It's easy for people. It's easy for caregivers or patients to know. Okay, this is not the clothes in my closet. It's easier to find.
See.
And really, it's made out of a special polyethylene product. and it's with a very low friction. So,
Okay. Okay, good. All right, in addition to the Just For You product and the board, the penny board, we still have a very impressive clinic right over here that Terry would like to introduce for us, please.
Hi. We find activity device is not enough, so we create a new building. It's a physical therapy center. We have the post-acute patient for stroke patient. We train it in a home-like environment before then returning home.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the facilities, the picture?
Yes, it's a facility picture.
Okay, what's the characteristics? What's the specialty?
Okay, first here we have a principle, don't care too much, because if we give too much care, they cannot live independent. So we help them to do it by themselves. First, we will find their motivation. We use their motivation to find their life target, and use the target. We create training plan. Use the training plan. The target is focus. We force their target, and so they can use the target to design a plan, and they will love the treatment and work it very hard. Second is intensive training, so we can give like all-day training in 5 days per week. And three, we have a lot of activity devices in our clinic. So because the patient will change their physical status in the recovery phase, so we need different activity devices. So we will change the device for the patient. They will recover better, and good and suitable device is good and useful for the patient.
So the main mission of these facilities, we call it the Hot Physical Therapy Clinic.
Yes.
The main goal for the patients is to do the autonomy and independence, right?
Yes.
Taking care by themselves and also
Yes,
maintain
right.
their self-dignity.
Yes.
Wow, very wonderful. And I also heard you say that you make this clinic like at home.
Yes, like home.
Why?
So, first, because everyone need to go back home. So before you go back home, you can train in a center like this. You feel you like home, and you can training and get training in the home. So when you get back to your real home, it was more easy. So we create like home.
Yes, okay, I understand. It's looking very good, and it's very comfy and cozy. You know, nice place to live. Okay, well, let's back to Max. So, I think it's wonderful you introduced Just For You and the Penny Pad and this one. Before we conclude this interview, do you have anything to add to our audience?
So our pricing, for example, our seated transfer product is, the pricing is very competitive compared to other big name brand like Hale Rooms or well-known established brand. So for a penny board, it's only about $120 US, which is very competitive compared to the others.
Sure.
And our quad fold horizontal transfer product is around $300 US, so which is also very competitive.
Sure. Okay.
Yep.
So are you looking for some partner, distributor, and the buyers in the following future?
Yeah, definitely. If someone is interesting or curious about our product, we can go visit www.justforyou.com.tw. We have all the product, and with our pricing, you can email us to the link description is on our website. Just send us an email, and then we'll follow back.
Sure. Okay, thank you. Don't forget the Strengthen Medical Instrument Corporate Limited. Thank you very much for taking the interview this time. Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Terry. Thank you, Max. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, dear audience, ladies and gentlemen around the world. Again, welcome to the day 2, the Assistive Technology for Life 2020. Now, this is day 2. We're still going on introducing the excellent and outstanding company in Taiwan. So let you know more about our company and the product. So right now, we have the wonderful company with the long-term service on technology and the service. Here is a group. But right now, he sits right next to me. Now the company is Shin Kong Security, and the guest next to me is the Associate Director, Mr. Zheng Zefang. Willie Zheng, please say hi to our audience.
Hi, audience. I'm Willie Chen.
Okay, thank you for coming, Willie. Well, I think most of people know by the definition of UN, most of society is entering the hyper-aging society, not just Taiwan and most of the country, but Taiwan is also going into the stage. So more and more senior people, or we call the silver hair, aged citizen, how do they do their life? The Shin Kong Technology and Shin Kong Security focus on this product. So since the year 2013, the Shin Kong Security established a new subsidiary company called the Shin Kong Life Care, and that is what we're going to introduce to the company and the service. Okay, we have a definition from the United Nations, but how is the Shin Kong Security's definition about aging or the senior?
Okay. In our company, the opinion is elderly shouldn't be a social problem because any problem means to be solved.
Okay.
But everyone is on the road of age. And society is inevitably fraught with all kinds of aging. Therefore, old age, elderly is not a point in time with end, but low flow time.
Sure.
In order to allow the elderly safety and care to at home, SKLC has developed the KU system. That's the products we will introduce you today.
Sure, sure. So by the definition from the Associate Director and the Shin Kong Security, I think the aging is not a problem.
Yes.
It's a natural process.
Yes.
And we are facing this process. How can we make it better? That's a very important philosophy. So by the definition and philosophy you were saying, what kind of the system that Shin Kong Security provide for our audience this time?
Let's follow. I will introduce you to my KU system by PowerPoint. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see the PowerPoint. I think the elderly in home, everybody, especially for the children, they worry about their parent in home when accident is happen or safety check. So we developed this structure. You can see we have a safety care service and health care service. For example, the safety care service is an emergency call system, just like this. You can see my bracelet and the neck brace. That's emergency call. When you have any emergency call, our nursing center we will call back to this KU system. This is our safety care service. And health care service is we provide this blood pressure and blood glucose. There's two major in one device. So the major result will send the cloud automatically. So we in the safety care service we have a 6 main function. First is emergency notification. Second is activity detection. Third is message notification, and 4 is medication reminder. 5 is family speed dial key and caring greeting. This is our 6 main function. And the key in the device key function, just like this. This is a speed dial care center, and this security control function, just like PowerPoint show everybody. And this is the emergency button in my hand and my neck brace. Example, this if you pull.
Would you like to stand up and demo for our audience?
If you pull up and this the device separate and the emergency signal will send our nursing center.
Okay.
Thank you.
Originally it's like this one.
Yes.
And you just
yes.
And automatic call to the emergency center.
Yes. Thank you. And our healthcare service we will provide 2 all-in-1 device. They have a blood pressure and a blood glucose. Yes. And every day when you measure your data, we will automatically send our care center.
Okay.
Our care service have a 4 main function. There's a cloud management and alert notification, and health consultant and monthly report by delivery. When you go to hospital, we will send you a monthly report that you go hospital to the doctor to see what you measure in that last month.
Yeah, right. History.
So any question, please call our www.sklc.com.tw.
All right, this is the Shin Kong Life Care, the new company under the Shin Kong Group.
Yes.
All right, it's a very wonderful statement talking about this is like a system, not just a single product,
yes,
right? It's an entire system.
Yes.
So you do the home care,
yes,
health care at home, remote medical care.
Yes.
This is very important.
Yes.
So the senior citizen at home can push the button, monitor the blood pressure or blood glucose. So it combines the Taiwan strengths. For example, the sensor and the IoT,
yes,
IoT devices, and then go on the cloud, collecting big data.
Yes.
Analyze it with the AI,
yes,
and then feedback to the patients
yes,
or the family,
yes,
and then you bring those documents to
yes,
hospital like Shin Kong Hospital.
Yes, we have a single hospital.
Yeah,
yes,
and consult the Shin Kong doctor.
Yes.
So the total solution.
Yes.
Very powerful.
Okay.
You. Right. So I believe it's combined the Taiwan strength and traditional service. Of course, it's an innovative service by the Shin Kong Group. I think it's great. Also, we can call it the glory of the Taiwan.
Thank you.
Okay, so we list the website over here, and you
yes,
can contact the Shin Kong Life Care and Shin Kong Security easily. So don't forget this very wonderful product and the total solution provided by the Shin Kong Group. So once again,
thank you
very much for introducing the company. Hello, dear audience, ladies and gentlemen from the world. Once again, thank you very much for watching the live on the Assistive Technology for Life 2020. This is day 2. We are at Taipei, Taiwan. Well, by the on-air arrangement, we keep introducing the several important and significant companies in Taiwan to let you know more about the Taiwan's company and their state-of-the-art product, system, service, and total solution. And right here, right now, we have the wonderful companies. The name is called SEDA G-Tech, and right next to me is the Dr. Dorothy Bai from the company. So, Dorothy, could you like to say hello to our audience?
Hi, everyone.
Yeah, right.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Sure. Okay. Now, Dorothy, I'm curious about your company. So, would you like to start by introducing the company a little bit?
Sure. No problem. Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm very glad that I can take this opportunity to share with you the care relief system. So, to start with, I want to give you a brief introduction of our company, SEDA G-Tech.
Okay, let me hold for you.
Yes, thank you. SEDA G-Tech is a startup company funded by the Zheng Technology Research Center, Yuanzhi University, and the SEDA company. While the Zheng Technology Research Center was founded in 2003, it is a leading research center in the area of Zheng technology in Taiwan and also the worldwide. And the SEDA company is a foam expert with over 40 years experience. So the goal of SEDA G-Tech is to assist older adults to live independently and to increase their social participation as well as relieve the caregiver's burden with the combined solution of technology and design.
Sure.
So although G-Tech is formally founded in 2016, only 4 years old.
Sure.
It's more likely a senior startup because it is incubated from a university's research center with almost 20 years experience.
Yes.
Yeah, so up to now we have a series of IoT and AI products for smart living, professional health care, and also serious game products for health promotion.
Sure.
But due to time limitation, today I'm going to just focus on the care relief system.
Sure, I can understand these companies are focused on the IoT and some Taiwan strengths on technology, and they are focused on the health care. So what kind of solution or the system you brought to us today?
Yeah. Thank you. The system is called Care Relief System, and actually it includes a motion sensing mattress called WhizPad, and also the IT system. Basically, the WhizPad is an extremely comfortable. Thank you. It's an extremely comfortable mattress. It uses the viscoelastic memory foam, and this material is temperature sensitive, especially around 37 degrees Celsius, when it slowly softens to the shape of the human body. So with these characteristics, it helps to achieve the maximum contact area of the interface, so it can effectively reduce the interface pressure. So as you can see here from this study, this is WhizPad, and this is another mattress. So for WhizPad, you can see the red areas represents the higher pressure. And you can see that WhizPad has a low and even pressure. Yes. And the other mattress has a higher and more likely uneven pressure. So this can provide an application for the prevention of pressure injuries.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, we conducted a clinical trial, and the results showed that the WhizPad, this mattress, is significantly associated with a reduction in the development of pressure injuries, as well as the postponed occurrence of pressure injuries. Yes, that's the material.
So the mattress include the AI technology. So all the data collected from this mattress can go to the system to analyze it. So far this service or this solution is installed in hospital, institution, or at home. Mostly.
Mostly in hospitals.
Yes.
Thank you for the question. Yes, you bring up the IT system. So yes, let me just briefly introduce you the IT system of our care relief system. Yes. there is a, thank you, there is a conductive layer embedded in the foam with 30 sensors.
Right.
Users cannot see it and users cannot feel it. So to them, it is only an extremely comfortable mattress. But when they lie on the mattress or sit on the mattress, their activities can be transferred into the resistance values collected by the sensors. And then these values are transferred to digital signals and then transferred to cloud via this Bluetooth gateway. The highlight of this IT structure actually is here, the NB-IoT. Well, you may be familiar with the IoT, but for NB stands for narrowband.
Narrowband.
Narrowband, yes, in comparison with wideband. So the advantages of narrowband include such as the better indoor signal coverage, lower cost, and a longer battery life. So this is probably, the Care Relief system is probably the first NB-IoT healthcare product in Taiwan. Yes.
All right.
So as you asked before, where did we put this system? And for now, it's increasingly used in hospitals. So in hospitals, for example, on the computer at nursing station, you can see this screen. We use a graphical interface design.
Okay.
Yes, this displays multiple beds.
Oh, multiple beds.
With including the information such as real-time bed activity, lying down, sit up, and so on, and also the historical data of sleep log, such as the on bed, off bed, and bed activities. As in addition to the screen on the computer, we can also send certain alerts to nursing staff's mobile devices so that they can receive the alerts without limitation of location. Yeah, so that they can provide timely assistance to patients. So this is the IT structure of this system and also the screen, the display of this system. One of the most important applications of this system is, sorry, let me find the board.
The board. Which one?
No, sorry, this one.
Yes.
Sorry. One of the most important applications is that we can use it for fall prevention. As you may know, in clinical practices, bed exit alarm system is commonly used, but the effect is not that optimistic. One of the major reasons is that most systems send alerts after the patient leaves the bed.
Sure.
So in most cases, it's too late. But as for us, we use the machine learning methods to identify the flow of the activity from such as lying on the bed, sitting up in the bed, and sitting on the edge.
Right.
So we can capture the intention, the patient's intention to leave bed.
Right.
Yes. So, and also nursing staff can set up the personalized notifications according to the status, the needs of the patient. So it helps a lot the nursing staff to receive what they want immediately.
Right.
Actually,
Prevention.
we also conducted a clinical trial.
Okay.
Well, actually, it's large prospective cohort study. We recruited 1,300 patients in a medical center in Taiwan.
Right.
And the results showed that this system significantly reduced the occurrence of hospital-required falls. So yeah, that's the system. But
okay.
Yes, last but not least, here, with all of these smart functions, no plug-in is required.
Okay, very good.
All we need is 2 batteries.
Yes, okay.
And do you know how long it can last for?
Maybe 2 days?
2 days.
Too short. Or
too short.
Too short.
Yes.
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Okay, you're too conservative. It's about 6 to 10 months.
Okay.
Yes, because we use the BLE module.
Yes.
And so we can use only 2 batteries for 6 to 10 months. Yeah, so we're very proud of this design technology because it significantly improves the electric safety of of the patients.
Yes.
Yes. So which is very, very important.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Very, very impressive innovation product in Taiwan. You know, this is startup company incubated by the college or some institutes funded by government. So in Taiwan, we have many companies like this one, small but with the state-of-the-art technology and thinking of the philosophy. So this is one. Another glory of Taiwan. They use the Taiwan strengths of IoT, ICT, cloud, big data, AI technology to combine with what they focus on the healthcare. Very wonderful achievement. So we also want the work and know more about this very wonderful company and the solution. So before we conclude the interview, do you, Dorothy, have anything to add?
Well, basically that's all what I want to say, but just to sum up.
Sum up? Yeah, wrap
just
up.
to sum up.
Yeah.
Yes, the care relief system is a temperature-sensitive pressure relief memory foam mattress with the functions of 3-stage early leave bed alerts, in-bed motion and sleep reports. And surprisingly, it's simply powered by 2 batteries,
okay,
which can be lasting for 6 to 10 months.
Okay, yeah, you said it twice. Thank you very much, SEDA G-Tech. Thank you for taking interview today. Thank you. And you have a nice audience. Thank you very much, too.
Thank you. See you.